Hey y'all, it is moving day again. I am on Carnival Venezia and I'm in cabin 9461 and getting ready to head out. So I've packed up everything. When you're doing a back-to-back cruise, if you're changing staterooms, you leave your luggage and they will take it to the next cabin for you. If you are not changing cabins, then you would you don't even have to pack. You leave everything in the drawers, leave everything out, and you just go through the process and then come back to your same stateroom. But I'm going to be in a different stateroom, so I'm getting ready to head out. In this video, I'm going to show you the back-to-back process. I did the back-to-back process on Carnival Venezia last cruise, so this is going to be my third leg, and it was very interesting because we had 162. I think it was 162 back-to-back cruisers, so it took a long time for them to gather us all up, do the process, and then get us all back on. So I'll put a link to that video in the description of this video. So let's go and see if it's going to be the same this time, how many back-to-back cruisers we have, and how long the process takes. So if you are planning to do a back-to-back cruise on Carnival Venezia, hopefully this video will give you an idea of what it's going to be like. Let's go check it out. Hey y'all, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I'm Linnell. I sold everything and now I live on cruise ships full time. I sold my house, left a toxic marriage, quit a toxic job, and now I travel the world with just a small suitcase and a backpack. If this video is a blessing to you, I want to encourage you to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and then turn on notifications. Hit the bell for all notifications so that you never ever miss another video. And follow me on my journey from poverty to paradise. All right, we were supposed to be here at 9 a.m. As you can see, we are here. It is 9:07 a.m. and we have not had anything, heard anything from the cruise. So no announcements or anything. So we'll see what's gonna happen. All right, so it's 9:12. It looks like they have started to do the pictures and everything. They didn't make any announcements or anything. They just started doing it, and I just happened to see them do it. So they already started the process. So
the old cabin, please. All right, 2269.
And we have some refreshments. She's calling for, see how many people need a wheelchair.
Right here's one that's not, yeah. How about you now? Yeah. It's Becky.
Becky is 9250.
50 Becky. How about her?
Yeah, I didn't do it.
Hi.
Ma'am, may I have your room key, please?
Hey, Jason, right?
Yes, ma'am. How are you?
All right. This way. Got me.
What's the number?
9461.
9461. I know.
How many y'all got this time?
73.
Woo, only half. 73.
Ready now?
Oh, yes.
1, 2, 3. Very nice. Thank you.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Julia.
Julia.
I'll see you soon. Yeah, we'll go together.
All right.
I see your friend left you.
Yes.
All right, so I just counted. There are actually 58 of us in here. So the rest must be off the ship and gonna come back on their own. So 58 is the amount that are here. And how many did you say? 73? 73 back-to-back cruisers total. So should be quicker this time. It is 9:30. Maybe that's why they had us come at 9 this time instead of 8:45.
Hey, did you put them off?
Now we're getting our cards.
I got it.
It's been a while. Hey!
Hi. You need a crew ID?
I need a what?
A crew ID? Let's give you a bench name. You
Oh,
What is
yeah.
your cabin number?
I want a crew ID now.
What is your new cabin number?
Crew ID.
Cabin number.
They just put it to work. Why is this
I'm
struggling?
trying to get a job, y'all. 11244.
The pictures on the top staircase, the ice cream bowl.
Yeah.
True as well.
There you go.
Thank you.
I'm not bothering with your stick. I see you sitting far away from me.
Alright, we about ready, y'all. What time is it? It is 9:35. Let me do this because sometimes it doesn't show up good. 9:35. So we've only been here for 35 minutes. So we're doing way better than last time. All right, it is 9:47 and they're still giving out keys, so still doing better than last time though, right? Yeah, they're still working on it.
Because we are moving in the next 10 minutes or so, okay? There's a restroom right outside in the, all the way to the back, okay?
All right, she gave us a 10-minute heads up that we're leaving in 10 minutes. It's 10:01. So if anyone needs to go to the restroom, they didn't do that before, so that's a little different. But anyone needs to go to the restroom or do any last minute stuff to go do it. So yeah, looks like this is gonna be way better than last time. Fingers crossed. Still taking a little longer than what I'm used to prior to these last couple ones, but still better. No complaints here. We're leaving at 10:09. No problem. We're taking a different route this time. Last time we went down the other stairs. Hello, how you doing? Good. I gotta take my glasses off sometimes it tells me. There it is. There you go. You got green. Thank you. Okie dokie. 10:27. Our new cruise friends, hey! This is how you get to see who the nice people are compared to the crusty people.
Go to one side, I'm on the
Ooh, so I just came back to my cabin, coming back from dinner, and I get this cruise enjoy repeat letter. So this must be the treat for the back-to-back cruisers. They didn't leave me champagne and fruit like they usually do, which I guess there is still fruit, but it's a different kind of fruit. So blueberries. This is yogurt covered, maybe raisins, and some nuts. Not crazy about these. No, I'm not crazy about these, but I'm gonna enjoy the nuts. What do y'all think about this back-to-back cruise gift? Would you enjoy this, or would you rather the champagne and fruit? Let me know.